Hey there! Finally, after like 6 months, we decided to get out of the house. Because, you know, just breathing fresh air is pretty lame. We've decided we're gonna play some soccer.
Ow! Ow! Oh, man.
Well, since just breathing fresh air is a bit dull, we thought why not kick around a football?
They're playing. You'd think they could invite me for once. All I get is Kostya, take out the trash, clean up the house. Kostya, go buy his food. Never once an invite like, Kostya, let's play some soccer, jerks. I hate it.
So while we were running and playing soccer, we figured out one thing. It's a bit boring playing with just two of us. So what do you suggest we should do?
Well, we would call Constantine. Hey, Kostya, you super busy right now?
Oh, incredibly busy. Can't even take a second off. Got so much cleaning piled up here.
All right then, why don't you invite you to play football? Well, okay, bye-bye.
Football?
Okay, let's just kick around then.
So, guys, let's play.
Wait, aren't you busy?
Well, I quickly did everything, ran over here.
In 10 seconds?
Let's just play already, huh?
All right, get over to the goal.
The goal? I want to kick the ball, though.
Well, since Kostya's a really bad goalie, it was boring even with the three of us. What do you say, Artem?
Let's go home. I'm actually too lazy to run now.
Yeah, too lazy to run, to walk. Basically everything but breathing.
I'm even too lazy to breathe.
Anyway, we need to go home and find entertainment where we don't have to do anything, not walk or anything. Just breathe. What about Kostya? Kostya, what's up? What's wrong with you? Hey.
I really am lazy.
As you've probably figured out, in this video today, we won't be playing football outside because, damn burn it, it's freezing cold, we're tired, and we're a few players short. To be precise, 19. So, since we still want to play football, we've decided to create a kind where there's no running, no kicking the ball, and no need to be outside. And judging by the description, it's not really football at all. But it will be football. We'll play football where you have to blow.
Blow?
Yes, Kostya, exactly that.
Cool. I might ace this interview.
So to make this football where you can simply blow, we'll need a ball that can be deflated.
Yuri might deflate. Blow it, maybe Yuri. Oh, that's cool.
As you can understand, this ball is not suitable for this characteristic. That's why we'll use another ball. This wonderful, fantastic styrofoam ball. In football, there are three components: players, the ball, and the football field. We have the ball and the players, and then of course we need, well, you know, a football field. To make the field, we'll need a 2-meter block, 6.5 meters of boards, green fabric, and masking tape. Masking tape. And now, for those who don't understand how this will look at all. Essentially, it'll be a regular, typical field, except that it will be on legs, and instead of players, there will be heads here. 2 heads will be at the goals, and 2 heads will act as attackers. So here's the first team, and here's the second team. Naturally, 1 player from each team will be positioned at the goal, and 1 from each team will be in the opponent's half of the field. 1 will defend the goal, and the other will attack the enemies. We'll have 4 stages in creating the football field. First, we make the body. Second, we attach the legs. Third, we stretch the fabric. And fourth, we mark the boundaries. Yes, damn burn it. Making this will be very easy, so absolutely any of you can replicate it and play with your friends this football at home while it's slushy, cold, and freezing, and whatever outside. The most challenging part in creating this football is finding the styrofoam ball. I found it on eBay. Anyway, fewer words, more action. Let's start making the body. We'll need 2 boards of 2 meters each, and 2 boards of 120 centimeters. And now we connect these boards together to form a large rectangle. Now, to this large rectangle, we need to attach legs. The height of each leg should be slightly taller than a seated person's neck. As a result, we've got this simple construction that, it pretty much looks like a table without a tabletop. But now we have another equally simple stage ahead. We need to stretch the fabric. Well, before we stretch the fabric, I think it's better to paint it all. Now, once the paint is dried, we can then proceed to attach the fabric. We will be doing this using a stapler. Dangerous. And with the masking tape, we mark the boundaries. Set up the goals. And then there's just one last detail. We need to cut holes for the heads. Football is now at last ready, and now it's time to play. That's how it should all look. But before we start playing, for bad breath, just a little bit of... You must be careful with chewing gum. Now we're completely ready, and essentially we can start playing. We just need to move the ball to the middle. Well, okay, whatever. Now the first team, raise your hands.
What are you looking at?
Am I playing alone or what?
No.
All right, Artyom and I are playing while Stepan plays with Ghost.
Hooray!
On the count of 3.
1, 2, 3.
Nice. Come on, come on.
No!
Stepan, thanks for helping us out.
Man, I cannot blow it to the other side.
Stefan.
I tried to pull it toward me.
You cannot tilt your head. You're taking up too much space.
You're over there. You're doing your own thing.
Oh, that feels good. Nah! After quite a bit of struggle, we managed to at last score our first goal. Give me 5, Artyom.
Be careful with the gate.
Starting the second half.
Yeah! High five. Well, since standing at the goal isn't funny and everyone wants to run around, we'll switch roles. Now attackers are goalkeepers and vice versa.
And now it's time for us to switch goals. All right, ready?
Now,
Yeah.
we need the ball.
Don't tilt! Towards the other side. Lower your head. I pass to you. Oh, Lil. Oh, no way.
I'll help you now.
Whew. Oh, man, this is tough.
Oh, you got it.
Let's go.
I'm tired. That's it. Family.
No, I was fixing my hair.
Well, guys, that's the game that we had. We played, we enjoyed it. I think it was pretty cool. I don't know about you, but I got a lot of pleasure from it. Anyway, the football we made today turned out to be really unusual. And in my opinion, that's worth a like and subscribing to the channel. Well, that's it. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Good luck to all of you, and goodbye.